Hi, it's Joan. This week I'm talking about partnerships and the way that we need to practice misfits. Well, with partnership bidding, if you find that you bid one suit, partner bids their suit, you bid your second suit, sometimes it becomes quite clear that there is no fit on this hand. Well, suggestion, stop bidding as soon as you can if you're able to. If somehow you're in a game force, then you can't stop bidding. But a lot of these hands, when you are simply bidding your suit and partner bids their suit and then a new suit, and you get the feeling that there is no fit, you're best to get out of the auction at as low a level as possible. Don't try bidding no trumps when partner bids one suit, you bid your suit, they bid a second suit. Don't try and fix the problem by bidding no trumps, because it won't work. If you've got a singleton in one of your partner's long suits, it's very hard to get over there unless they've got external entries. And also, the opponents have probably got tricks in the suit if you've only got a singleton in partners. So the big problem is really being able to cross from one hand to the other when you haven't got partner's suit and they haven't got your suit. So at times like this, sometimes you have to just bow out of the auction. And the hand I've done for you this week is one such hand. Even though partner would like you to have bid, you're better to just pass. And if the opponents are listening to the bidding and they get the feeling that it's a misfit and they have strong cards in the first suit that's been bid, a very good idea is to lead a trump. Because if we're going to try to cross trump the hand to get our tricks when we don't have a very good fit, then the opponents need to lead trumps and keep playing trumps to stop us being able to do that. It's very interesting. So have a go at this hand and practice your partnership bidding, and there'll be solutions and recommended bidding for you. Have a great week. Hand has not enough to open, so pass. And when partner opens one heart, you can just bid one spade. You've got a singleton heart, so not a good fit. Now partner says they've got 4 diamonds as well as 5 hearts. They might have 5 diamonds, but at this stage you think they've got 4 and 5. Now it's a very difficult situation. Although you've got 8 points, your best bet with this misfit is to pass, because partner will not have any fit in spades. They've shown their 2 red suits. You've got a singleton in the first suit and only 3 cards. You might be in a 4-3 fit, but it's better than trying to play 2 hearts. So just pass. It's a misfit. And they've led a trump. This is a good lead. It suggests that the person on lead has probably got good hearts, because they want to stop our ability to trump hearts in the south hand. So win the ace of diamonds. Don't touch any more trumps. Play a heart to the king. They play another trump. Win it with the 10. Now just trump a heart with the last trump and cross over to a club, the ace. Take out the trump, and now the Queen of Hearts is a winner, the diamond is a winner, and the King of Clubs is a winner as well. So we could play the Queen of Hearts and another heart, and the 5 of Hearts. Now they're trying to play spades. We are going to lose this one, but We can trump this, and now over to our king of clubs, and we'll lose the last trick. But with great effort, we made 8 tricks. This is a typical misfit where you want to stay as low as possible.